Clint from CT Mad Mods, and today I'm doing a little prep work. We're about to do an engine swap for our friend Kyle. And of course, you know, I got some help today. That's right, I'm over here at American Tire, my boy Kevin Easley, and we're about to do a little bit of prep work on a 1.6 liter 16 valve swap that we're gonna do for our friend Kyle. We got a 1.6 liter 16 valve, freshly rebuilt by ADM Machine in Butte, Alaska. Boy, that's clean. And of course, you can't have an engine that clean and then throw an intake that dirty on it. So I'm gonna get those parts in the parts washer, and we're gonna get those suckers cleaned up so it'll look good. And I guess you could say things are getting pretty serious here at CT Mad Mods.
So what was it?
His drag disease.
What? Ah!
You get that thing is like all motored. He's like, I need a turbo. You can feel the left rear, that thing was like this.
And that's only a 1.6 16 valve. Wait till we do the 2.0.
Going down the corner to go into the access road. And what are you bitching about?
Rock with it, lean with it. Rock with it, lean with it.
Do you want drivability? Do you want off-road? He's like, right there. I need a turbo.
All right, I didn't bore you with a bunch of parts washing, but I cleaned the whole intake and a bunch of different parts, the housing that holds the distributor and a couple other little pieces and parts. Everything's cleaned up now. The injectors are all clean, and so I'm putting it all back together. Okay, I've got the fuel rail back on, the injectors plugged back in. I'm about to put the top of the plenum on. I just changed out the thermostat. It was all nasty, and looks like everything's looking good. It's nice and clean. Didn't powder coat anything because that's not the way I do stuff. Anyways, it's coming together. This is gonna take me several days to do because I don't have 20 hours just to sit down and work on this thing. So I'm gonna just chip away at it as I can. I'm gonna put this plenum together and this whole intake and get it set up, ready to go. The engine's pretty much ready to go. I just gotta throw the timing on it and the water pump, a few little odds and ends, and then I guess Kevin, today is Saturday, the weekend before Memorial Day. So Kevin's gonna go this weekend and pick up Kyle's Samurai. And then all this week, I'm gonna get off of work, I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna pull the engine, and me and Kevin are gonna try and work on it together. Kevin's pretty busy. Right now it's tire season in Alaska. Everybody's having their tires switched over. So he's very busy. He's working 6-7 days straight. And so we're gonna do what we can, but I get off at 4 o'clock every day, and I've got several hours after work that I can mess with it, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep chipping away at it. It's gonna take me approximately 16 to 20 hours to do this swap, and so I'm gonna film the whole thing. So if I'm wearing different clothes and whatever, I mean, that's what's going on. I'm just filming what I can when I can. But let me put this back together, and then I gotta take off and go over to Todd's shop. He needs me to do him a favor for I do like little commercials for his business, and so that's what I'm gonna go do here in a minute. So I'll bring y'all along for that. Hey, this is Clint from CT Mad Mods, and today I'm over at Alaska Snowmobile Salvage and ATV Repair. Todd said everything has got to go. Come pick up your project.
Today, we are offering our second annual offer of come get your project. I ain't gonna live long enough to get all these projects done, so you guys gotta come help a brother out. That's what I'm talking about.
He's got a ton of rigs here. They're all for sale. Come by, what, Monday?
Yeah, starting Monday. We'll run it all this week.
Yep. Monday the 22nd, I think.
I have no idea what the date is.
Something like that.
Monday.
Yeah, Monday. Come by Monday. Alaska Snowmobile Salvage and ATV repair.
Projects galore. 4-wheelers, 3-wheelers, snow machines, jet skis. I got a couple of boats. Yeah.
It's all for sale.
Come get it.
Monday, Monday, Monday.
Come on down to us. Now that's funny. Shaka.
Okay, it's the next day. I've got the intake put on, and we're just ticking things off the list. I got the water pump on, and we're just gonna keep bolting stuff up until we got a complete engine. Okay, we got the distributor housing and that little water jacket dealio on there. Intake's on, and everything seems to be good to go. There it is. Kevin with the project.
It's here.
Man. Is this like on the reality shows when you're like, what'd you bring us now?
What is this?
92? One. I don't even remember.
I don't even remember.
Suzuki Samurai.
Something. Oh, it's pretty clean inside. I don't hate the color.
No, dude, it's pretty nice. It's in a great shape.
All right, so we're doing a 1.6 liter 16 valve swap to this for our buddy Kyle. Looks like he's got a mild little lift in there. It's at least. Right. Huh.
Like it?
Looks good, dude.
Don't worry about these ones?
I wouldn't.
All right.
Thanks, John Brown.
Thank you, John.
Yeah, I'm ready. Watch yourself, dog.
Heck yeah.
Yeet. Thanks for your help, boys.
Help it. Help it.
Ooh. Ah. Yeah.
Number 2. Oh, I forgot.
All right, as you've seen, we're just disconnecting things. Got pretty much everything disconnected. I'm doing motor mounts right now. Kevin's working on something over there. Looks like homie's already got power steering, so that ought to be easy. Just about disconnected. All right, we got everything up top disconnected. Kevin got the exhaust disconnected and the power steering's all disconnected. Everything up top's disconnected. So we're gonna lift it up and disconnect everything on the bottom side. How long have we been doing this? 30 minutes? Maybe. Well, so it's coming out quick. All right, we're gonna unhook everything on the bottom. All right, we're taking engine mounts out, transmission mounts. It's all disconnected. It's just about ready to come out.
It's close, dude. We got to drain it, man.
Yeah, we're gonna drain oil and pour out.
Brand new.
Is that a transmission?
Yeah.
It's clean.
Very.
You want some on a Ritz cracker? Needs to probably needs to go back. All right, guys, that's about a wrap for this week. We got the engine out. It took us, what, 30, 40 minutes? If that. And so we got it all disconnected. I'm going to keep working on it all week, and I'm going to keep filming it, but I'm just going to stop the video here and get y'all an edit out for this weekend. It's almost Memorial Day weekend, and hopefully we're going to be doing some riding this weekend.
I hope so, man.
But, all right, thanks for Kevin Eastley and American Tire for all the help and for the shop. It's so much better working on a lift, and it's so much better having my friend Lester over there with an impact, just getting after it every 5 seconds.
Every time we go to video, so.
Thanks for watching my video.
Peace out.